I'm Beth Martino. I'm the Communications Director and Press Secretary for Kansas Governor Mark Parkinson. I received my master's degree from KU in journalism with an emphasis in integrated marketing communication in May of 2005. My responsibility is basically to direct communications and the public face of the Governor of Kansas. One of the reasons that I came to the governor's office was to help bring some new media into the governor's communication repertoire. We've started providing video on our website. The governor is recording a bi-weekly webcast that goes on our website. Also, there's a written transcript, and we supply that to newspapers and more traditional media, so we're kind of reaching out through both of those avenues. We've supplemented that with audio clips as well, trying to provide our press conferences through streaming audio and other audio clips. My staff, we're all now on Twitter and try to monitor what's being said there, and we're on Facebook and doing those things because I think we have to, in a modern political communication setting, you have to be a part of that conversation. Electronic communication has definitely had a large impact on what I do every day. I started as the press secretary for Governor Kathleen Sebelius in January 2009. Since then, she's been nominated and confirmed as Health and Human Services Secretary. We've inaugurated a new governor. This is really the first time that a governor's administration has been almost exclusively electronic. And when we sat down with the Kansas Historical Society to talk about how do we archive press releases or executive orders or any of the day-to-day communication, this is the first time they've had to consider how to archive records and materials from an administration that's almost exclusively, and in some cases is exclusively electronic. We don't have paper documents. And while that is a relatively small part of what I do, I think that that in and of itself reminded me of the massive amount of change we've gone through in just the last 6 years. I took the opportunity to study integrated marketing communications at KU. Most of my classes had 30 or 40 students, and we were all working professionals. So one of the great things about the program that I was in at KU was the opportunity to talk to other people who are working in my field and to get a sense of what the challenges that they faced were, what kind of projects they were working on, and to be able to take that back every day. I felt like I was getting an immediate education every day in class that I went. The core concepts that I learned about in that program shaped the communication philosophy that I bring to my job today.